Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt DCS7485B compact table saw. The DeWalt DCS7485B is powered by the brand's flagship FlexVolt 60-volt battery, which generates superior revolutions per minute for ripping and cutting. This unique tool is installed with a rack and pinion fence system that you can easily adjust using an ergonomically made gear for accurate and quick adjustments. Another exceptional feature that comes with the DeWalt DCS7485B is the power loss reset system, which does a good job of preventing accidental restarts. But I wish it had both on green and off red switch buttons for convenience of use and added safety. The large red switch isn't the safest choice. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt DWE7485 compact Jobsite table saw. The fence system on the DeWalt DWE7485 uses a rack and pinion adjustment mechanism, which is great because it allows you to make smooth changes to its positioning. It features a 2.5-inch dust port for attaching a vacuum, which will help to keep your home workshop or job site clean. I really admire the 24.4-inch rip capacity, considering that it is wide enough for ripping OSB sheets and 4x8 plywood. But it is quite unfortunate that the DeWalt DWE7485 is not sold with a rolling wheel stand. This means you will have to incur additional costs if you want the portability of a stand. At number 3, we have the Tacklife MTS01A 10-inch table saw. This product has an extension tabletop that is made of aluminum for durability and extends up to 3.9 inches on both sides for added stability. I really appreciate the well-made miter gauge, considering how easy it is to square it to the blade and how effective it is to produce neat crosscuts. Another great feature is the ergonomically designed handle for lowering and raising the blade, which is properly contoured for consistent hand placement. But it comes with a rugged yet not portable stand, which has no rolling wheels for mobility or curved handles for lifting and pushing. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DW745 compact table saw. This heavy-duty table saw comes equipped with a high-performing 15-amp motor that offers an impressive no-load speed of 3,850 RPM that will cut through wood with ease. This product has telescopic fence rails, which is great because you can extend it when cutting wider workpieces and retract it to create a portable package. Another exceptional feature that comes with the saw is the premium micrograin carbide blade, which offers ultra-sharp cutting edges with minimum splintering. But the thing is, the DeWalt DW745 doesn't come with a stand. So this means you have to suffer additional costs for table saw stand portability. And finally, at number 1, we have the Bosch GTS1031 Jobsite table saw. The Bosch GTS1031 features a heavy-duty 15-amp motor, which is great because it boasts a 5,000 RPM top speed under no load for tearing through wood with ease. Its rip capacity is kept a bit on the small side, accommodating just 18 inches in order to make the table saw more portable. It provides a wide bevel angle range for superior versatility, while the easy-to-adjust miter gauge system allows for smooth and accurate cross-cutting. But the table saw is occasionally clogged with fine wood particles, which can easily jam the raising and lowering system of the blade. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.